Kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl AnekeAnnakay. How y'all doing or whatever? Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. Hello oldie but goodies. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by my small part of the YouTube universe. And if you do enjoy the content here, I hope little baby you hit that subscribe button, because child, did you see we are like a couple peoples away from 1,000 point blank what and period. But as you can see by the title, today we are cash stuffing our paycheck number 2 for August. So little baby, I don't want to take up too much of your time, so let's get into it. Okay, so for today's video, we are stuffing, child, it's still the crusty dollar bills for me. We're still doing crusties. So today we are stuffing 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 300, 310, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. So we're stuffing $335 today, child. So let me just set this money up. Okay, y'all, so this is the money set up, and I am going to be stuffing my cash envelopes. So for my cash envelopes, we are putting $150 in groceries, and I'm pretty sure that is $150. Let's push this up and put it in frame. Slide over a little bit. There we go. So now groceries has 100, 200, 250, 300, and it has $300 because I have not gone grocery shopping. I am still living in my hotel at the time of this recording. By the time this recording goes up, I will be moved into my place of livings, and so 300 is what is in groceries currently. But we've also spent money for the week, but we also haven't done our weekly check-in too. So child, just know it is what it is. So groceries got 150, and so now it has 300. Fuel is getting $15. Currently fuel has 55, so it's gonna get a 10 and a 5. And so now fuel has 50, 60, 65, and 70. That's for fuel. Next is gonna be Crown, the crown of it all. She is not getting nothing because child, I don't need nothing. I've already overspent, as you can see in weekly check-in, child. Ooh, child. Anyways, it is what it is. Next is Allowance, and Allowance is getting $100. And right now Allowance has 10, 15, 20. I'm pretty sure it has some extra money as well. Where's my wallet? Where's my wallet, child? Hold on, because I might be lying to y'all now, and I don't want to lie to y'all. So I am doing this cash stuffing before. Here's the wallet, child. So let me see. Yes, we do. Yes, so I had that much of my allowance in my wallet. So I had $8 extra in my wallet from my allowance. So allowance technically has 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, and $28. However, I have not done my weekly check-in for week 2 yet, and baby, I'm not even gonna say, like, this cannot be like on me, because honestly guys, I'm living in a hotel. Like, hello, what am I supposed to do? Okay, how am I supposed to cook? How am I supposed to feed myself? So I have, like I said, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. So eating out is the name of the game currently. And then once I am in my space, then I can cook and stuff. But then again, I still need to wait on my appliances. Child, moving. That's the quote. That's it. That's all. You already know. So that's allowance. Household is not getting anything because, like I said, I'm just moving, so everything that I'm buying will be new. and it will also be coming out of my home fund, because that's why we created the sinking funds, baby. Okay, and let me tell you, this sinking funds is coming through for your girl. Okay, when I tell you it's coming through, it's coming through. Sinking funds are the truth. Okay, budgeting is ghetto, but budgeting is whole real, sis. So household is not getting anything. Toiletries is not getting anything either, because it's doing the same thing with home. It's getting stuff by that. And honestly, I just bought some stuff, so I don't even know if like I'm gonna need toiletries. Like, it is what it is. Clothing is not getting anything, because I did spend some of that money that I did not have already on clothing, so it is what it is. Support a friend is usually what I use for my stickers. I already bought for September, so I'm all good for this. Then YouTube is getting $10. So guys, I am getting ready for my 1K giveaway, because I have very specific things that I want to give away. So for my 1K giveaway, you know, I like to do it big, so that's what I'm doing. I'm starting to save for that, so that's why YouTube is getting $10. Going out is getting $30. I've not gone anywhere. Honestly, I'm low-key staying inside, because outside is ghetto. But it is what it is. So it had $30 before, and now with that 30, it has $20, $40, $50, $60 in going out. Yeah, I'm just trying to get settled, you know. I've been here, like I said, only at the time of this recording, I've been here only for a week. I don't know when y'all gonna see this video, child, but at the time of this recording, I've only been in Mississippi for a week, so I'm not really going out or nothing. I'm literally finding a place to live, getting that set up. That's literally what I'm doing for, you know, like a week and a half, and then I'm gonna get myself together. So going out is not part of the plan, but I'm stuffing it for when it does happen. I really don't think it's gonna happen, because, you know, outside is getting more dangerous. The winter time is coming, child. Winter is coming. Game of Thrones, people. Anyways, business is next. Business is getting $20. That's $8.20. Business is getting $20. And then we have miscellaneous, which is getting $10. Y'all, I think I forgot to put money in allowance. I sure did, because I was like, where all this money come from? So right now, miscellaneous has 20, and I'm gonna put a 10, so now it has 30. Y'all, I was looking at over here, and I was like, I'm at the end of my cash envelope, so why do I have so much money? But I didn't put anything in miscellaneous. I was like, girl, hello? Hello? Who at the door? Hello? Okay, so allowance, like I said, for my previous week has 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, and 28. And we should be adding $100, which should be the rest of this. It is just broken down in the way I need it broken down. So that is 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. So we are adding $100. Okay, and so now allowance, which baby, wait until y'all see week 2 check-in. Allowance now has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So allowance has 1,000. Ooh, child, don't we wish? One day, speak it into existence. We have $128 in allowance. And so now we're done with the cash envelopes. We're gonna move on to our sinking funds. Okay, y'all, so for my sinking funds, I do use prop money, simply because my sinking funds, you know, baby, we don't use them all the time, and we ain't about to have like thousands of dollars at home just big chilling, like, no ma'am. So my cash envelopes are real money, but my sinking funds, because usually you know, when I purchase stuff from my sinking funds, it's usually with my credit card anyways. I use that to pay off my credit card, whatever is in the bank. I use it to pay off my credit card immediately. So this is a visual situation. So I have prop money for those. So for my sinking funds, I'm going to be stuffing 100, 200, 250, 300, 320, 330, 335, 36, 37, 38, and 39. So I'm going to be stuffing 339. So let me set up this money. Okay, y'all, so let's start stuffing my sinking funds. So for my sinking funds in home, we're putting $50 because like I said, okay, we just got here, but home, you still need to buy stuff. I still need to buy a bed. That's my main thing that I'm going to be buying. So I'm going to put $50 in here. I don't count my sinking funds until we do like a sinking funds counting. I do count my cash envelopes though. Then travel's also getting $50 because I very much use travel when I was coming here, when I was coming to Mississippi. So travel got used. Okay. Next is car maintenance. We always got to keep her up to date. So she's getting $30. So that's a 20 and a 10. Come on. $20 and a 10. So we're going to put her in here. Next, Queen's B-Day is still not getting anything. Fam's B-Day is still not getting anything. Christmas has already been stuffed for the month. And so Jamaica Vacay is getting Munties, and it is getting $205. So that's this $200 bill and the $500 bill. And guys, we just checked to see, you know, the availability of like plane tickets and stuff. And baby, we need the books because, okay, we need the books and get things together, get things running and popping. Our hotel or Airbnb that I found is still available. It still looks nice. The reviews on it is still nice. So, you know, hopefully if outside is all good, we will be good. And yeah, so that's Jamaica Vacay. It is getting $205. But whenever something happens, I will let you guys know what's happening. And something should happen within the next 2 weeks. So yes, ma'am. 2 to 3 weeks. Let's do that. So Jamaica Vacay got $205. And then last but not least is Christmas bills, which is getting $4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And like I said, this is to offset the extra cost of Christmas bills during that time of the year because everything increases. So as you guys know from what I previously said, I am living in a room for rent, and the only thing I pay is rent. I don't pay water, electricity, gas, light, internet, nothing, none of those. So that is the only thing I pay. And what I'm gonna do with this money is either one, I'm gonna give to my parents if we end up staying in America because outside is acting up again. But if we do go to Jamaica, which is the plan, then I will use this to, I think, fund my spending money in Jamaica because, child, it will be spent real quick. So anyways, that is what Christmas bills is for. I also have Juneteenth, which is not getting funded because it's fully funded at $500. Black Friday is fully funded at $310. Thanksgiving is fully funded at $150. And first month's bill is fully funded at $1,500, and she has been used, but you guys will see that update in the weekly check-in. So anyways, guys, that is it. I am up to date on my cash envelopes, cash stuffing with my paychecks was baby, okay? Nothing is worse than when your cash envelopes is not up to date. You got your money, but you haven't stuffed, child. It's a whole lot. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, baby, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Share this video with a family, a friend, and a foe, because even your enemies need blessings. And don't forget, budgeting is ghetto, but budgeting is real, and keep it real, sis. So anyways, my name is AnekeAnnakay. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.